This is our PowerPoint for our first assignment in research methods. We're going to be talking through the different types of research and the key issues displayed within it. So, quantitative data in research is statistics and facts for the amount of research an individual provides.
Data collected in this category is usually structured through graphs such as pie charts, bar graphs and line graphs, and more. Anything which shows numerical value is classed as quantitative research. When is it most appropriately used in sport and exercise science? Most used in tables and results in health screening and fitness testing.
So within health screening you can use tables like this to display all the different factors of someone's blood pressure and different factors affecting their health. But this will be classed as quantitative research as it is factual statistics based upon testing. There's two different types of this type of research. There's numerical and string. Numerical is any information that is measurable, such as distance, time, performance, and any form of measurements.
String data is words and more opinion based, such as observation, location, gender and clothing. Qualitative research is the next topic. Qualitative research is research that focuses on experiences, interpretations, impressions or motivations of an individual or individuals.
This is very opinion based and it has a lot of reliability issues. It normally reflects upon someone's performance and argues for and against, and all of the topics that are argued for are up for discussion.
When is qualitative research used in sport and exercise science? Qualitative research is used in questionnaires as it's a good way to collect qualitative research. It's a mixture of open and closed questions that give exercise professionals an insight to the individual's family, lifestyle, personal history and habits.
Questionnaires would be classed as opinion based, as all the answers are based off the individual's own perception of their own life. So anything that gets written down on these forms and they're examined by the professionals, they can't be 100% accurate that what's getting written down is true. Reliability is concerned with the consistency of a test, survey, observation or any other measuring device.
Reliability is a repeated measurement which produces similar results over time and is the consistency of a measurement tool.
Carrying out a test more than one time can show a consistent findings, and then this would make it more reliable as you've got more results to look back on.
What is validity? Validity refers to the degree in which our test or other measuring device is actually measuring what we intend to measure.
So this type of research must be testable and that the tests carried out can be measured.
There are three different types of validity. There are face validity, external validity and internal validity. First one is face validity. This tests internal validity when using face validity. Investigators use common sense after their findings of research. Common sense is used to assess their findings.
A good example of this is when an individual undergoes an assessment for the researchers. You wouldn't assess someone who wouldn't be directly influenced by a future programme put in place from it. It would be someone directly needing for it.
An example in this in sport and exercise science is a PARQ and health history questionnaire used by sports professionals, handed out by those wanted to start in a gym environment. External validity. External validity is the degree to which the conclusions in your study would hold for other people in places at other times.
External validity is applicable for all age ranges. So you wouldn't, if you were studying this type of validity, you wouldn't supply a test that was only for 13 to 16 year olds. You'd do it for a wider range. So the table here is for the normative data for resting heart rate. It's sectioned off into different age categories, gender and ratings. Internal validity is the validity which refers to the extent to which the results can be attributed to the treatments used in your study.
PARQs and health history questionnaires help sports professionals see if their clients are able and to get insight on their personal life. This is helpful as they can be applied to the client's future progress on the programme. This is classed as internal validity.
So accuracy determines the closest readings of a result that is and the most gold standard. So the gold standard for cardiovascular endurance would be the VO2 max, as it's the most reliable and most science-based.
Accuracy relates to the quality of the result. It is distinguished from precision, which relates to the quality of operation by which the result was obtained. An example of accuracy is using the correct measurement. An example in fitness testing, using the correct measurement instead of rounding it up. So if there was a score of 559, writing the score as 560 would be inaccurate.
Another example is when in football, if you're striking a goal and you're aiming for a top left corner, and when you strike, it actually goes there, so that's high accuracy, and if it doesn't, then it's low.
Next is precision. Precision is related to the care and refinement of the measuring process. It is accessed via the repeatability of the readings.
An example of precision in sport and exercise science is when you repeat a test multiple times to obtain a precise reading, such as the peak flow test.